This is the entry-level studio pack, the Senso. The Senso system is a great way into the Broncolor family, and although the items can be purchased separately, normally they're sold in kits. This is how the kits are supplied in this very compact case, and the case comes with a shoulder strap and offers great protection to the contents. Let's have a look inside. As you can see, this is the pack. In this case, the 1200 dual unit, and this is where the heads sit. This kit happens to be a one-head kit, but a two-head kit is also available. We'll come back to the heads shortly. Also included is a 70 centimetre softbox. First, let's have a look at the pack. As you can see, it's very small, compact and lightweight. As I said, this is the 1200 dual pack, and there is a larger 2400 dual version, which is just a little bit taller. Design is typical of Broncolor, with great clean lines and a good, easy-to-read display. You can feel its quality product as soon as you pick it up. So let's look at the features and controls. The mains plug fits in here next to the main switch. On the other side, there are 3 head outlets. On the top, we have all the controls. So let's plug one of the heads in so we can see how it works. So we switch on, and we can see the bright LED display. The number 10 displayed here is full power, 1200 joules, which at the moment is going through to our one head. On the Senso, the power is controlled in 2 ways. Firstly, we have the rocker switches on the left, marked full, half and quarter power. By setting the power with these switches first, we are turning on and off banks of capacitors in the pack, and by doing this, we're maintaining the color temperature of the light. So when I'm setting my lighting up, I always use these first to get close to the power I want. Then if we look on the right-hand side, you can see the 2 sets of buttons marked with an up and down arrow. These adjust the power in tenths of a stop by changing the voltage through the capacitors. So we can fine-tune the power very accurately. With this clever and unique operation, we have a pack with a 6.5 f-stop range and the difference of only about 200 degrees Kelvin between maximum and minimum power. Now let's plug in a second head. At the bottom left, we have this switch marked symmetrical and asymmetrical. When this is switched to symmetrical, the total power generated by the pack is split equally between the 2 heads. So now I have 600 joules through each head. Switching to asymmetrical, I can choose how the power is distributed by adjusting each head individually in whole or tenths of a stop. If I was to plug a third head in, then whatever power I send through to head 2 is split equally with the third head. Simple, eh? With the remaining controls, I can turn on and off the optical slave cell, turn on and off the built-in radio receiver, turn on and off the modelling lamps or switch them to full power or proportional, and lastly I can control the ready beep, switch to slow charge mode if I'm using an unstable power supply, and change the channels for the radio system. As I said, the pack has a built-in radio receiver for the RFS2 trigger, which not only fires the flash, but also controls the total power with the up and down buttons. It also has a massive 99 channels. This is the Litos head, designed specifically for the Senso pack, but of course you can use any of the other Broncolor heads. The design is fantastic. They're very compact, great for boom arms, etc., very light, and have this great pan and tilt head, just like a tripod, and an integrated umbrella holder. They are fitted with a 300-watt halogen modelling lamp, and like all Bron heads, a glass protection dome. Intelligent cooling switches on and off the fan when needed, so you can shoot all day. One of the best features is this umbrella reflector, which reverses and fits onto the head for protection when travelling. And then it's finished off with this smart cap. Of course, the Litos head is compatible with all Bron light shapers. I hope you've enjoyed our look at the Senso and Litos products. If you want more information about Broncolor products, have a look at our website at ukbroncolor.com or contact us for a personal demo. I'm Chris Burfoot. Thanks for watching.